menstrual cramps, or dysmenorrhea, can be an unwelcome monthly visitor for many women. The discomfort can range from mild to severe, often interfering with daily activities. Thankfully, there are several simple remedies that can help alleviate period pain and make that time of the month a little more bearable. Let's explore some effective strategies. Heat therapy. One of the most effective natural remedies for period pain is heat therapy. Applying heat to the lower abdomen can help relax the muscles and ease cramps. You can use a hot water bottle, heating pad, or even a warm towel. Alternatively, a warm bath can also provide relief, allowing you to unwind while soothing your discomfort. Stay active. It might seem counterintuitive to exercise when you're in pain, but staying active can actually help reduce menstrual cramps. Engaging in light activities like walking, stretching, or yoga can release endorphins, which are natural pain relievers. Plus, exercise increases blood circulation, helping to alleviate discomfort. So, when those cramps hit, consider taking a gentle walk or practicing some yoga poses to help ease the pain. Consider dietary changes. What you eat can significantly impact how you feel during your period. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can help reduce period pain. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, can help reduce inflammation. Additionally, fruits and vegetables, especially those high in magnesium like spinach and bananas, can also alleviate cramps. On the other hand, it might be wise to limit caffeine, sugar, and salty foods, as they can lead to bloating and worsen discomfort. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water can also help reduce bloating and improve overall well-being during your period. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas are known for their calming and anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile tea, for example, not only promotes relaxation, but may also help reduce menstrual cramps due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger tea is another excellent option. It has been shown to help ease pain and reduce inflammation. Sipping on these soothing teas can provide comfort and relief during your menstrual cycle. Practice relaxation techniques. Stress and anxiety can exacerbate period pain, making it essential to incorporate relaxation techniques into your routine. Practices such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, and mindfulness can help ease tension and promote relaxation. Taking a few moments each day to focus on your breath or engage in mindfulness can make a significant difference in how you experience pain. Over-the-counter pain relief. If home remedies aren't enough, consider utilizing over-the-counter OTC pain relief medications. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. NSAIDs like ibuprofen or naproxen can be very effective in reducing menstrual cramps. However, it's important to follow the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Keep a period journal. Tracking your menstrual cycle can provide valuable insights into your symptoms. By keeping a period journal, you can identify patterns in your pain and the effectiveness of various remedies. This knowledge can empower you to better manage your symptoms in the future. Conclusion. Menstrual cramps can be challenging, but with these simple remedies, you can find relief and reclaim your comfort during that time of the month. Remember, every body is different, so it may take some time to discover what works best for you. If your period pain is severe or persists despite trying various remedies, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for further guidance. Your well-being is paramount, and there are options available to help you feel your best.